CG Board Class 8th Science Project Work Answer Question 1. Measures to reduce plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a major environmental issue. To reduce plastic waste and promote a cleaner environment, we can take the following measures. 1. Use alternatives. Encourage the use of cloth or jute bags instead of plastic bags. 2. Reduce single-use plastics. Avoid plastic straws, cups, and bottles. Use metal or bamboo alternatives. 3. Recycling and reusing. Implement recycling programs and reuse plastic containers. 4. Community awareness. Conduct awareness campaigns in schools and localities. 5. Government policies. Support plastic bans and government initiatives like Extended Producer Responsibility (EPR). 6. Innovative solutions. Promote biodegradable plastics and research into eco-friendly alternatives. By following these steps, we can significantly reduce plastic pollution and protect our environment. Question 2. Water sources and pollution prevention. Water is an essential natural resource. Common water sources include rivers, lakes, wells, borewells, ponds, and reservoirs. To prevent pollution of these sources, the following measures should be taken. 1. Avoid dumping waste. Factories and households should not dump waste into water bodies. 2. Sewage treatment. Proper sewage treatment plants should be established. 3. Reduce chemical use. Minimize the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. 4. Rainwater harvesting. Encourage rainwater harvesting to recharge groundwater. 5. Public awareness. Educate communities on water conservation and pollution control. 6. Government regulations. Enforce strict laws against water pollution. By implementing these measures, we can ensure clean and safe water for future generations. Question 3. Greenhouse effect and its impact. The greenhouse effect is the process by which gases like carbon dioxide, CO, methane, CH, and water vapor trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to global warming. It is necessary to maintain Earth's temperature but has increased due to human activities. Causes. 1. Burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, gas. 2. Deforestation reduces CO2 absorption. 3. Industrial emissions and vehicle pollution. 4. Agricultural activities release methane. Effects. 5. Rising global temperatures cause climate change. 6. Melting glaciers lead to rising sea levels. 7. Frequent natural disasters like cyclones and droughts. 8. Disruption of ecosystems and biodiversity loss. Prevention. 9. Use renewable energy sources like solar and wind. 10. Plant more trees to absorb CO2. 11. Reduce industrial emissions and switch to electric vehicles. 12. Spread awareness about sustainable practices. Question 4. Conductivity of electricity in water, fruits, and vegetables. Electricity can pass through some liquids and organic materials due to the presence of ions and minerals. Experiment steps. 1. Take a battery, connecting wires, and a small bulb or LED. 2. Connect wires to both ends of a fruit, like a lemon, or a vegetable, like a potato. 3. Observe if the bulb glows. This indicates electrical conductivity. 4. Repeat the process with water, tap water, salt water, distilled water. Observations. 5. Salt water conducts electricity better than distilled water. 6. Fruits like lemons and oranges conduct electricity due to acids and minerals. 7. Vegetables like potatoes also conduct electricity due to their water content. Conclusion. Water and some organic substances contain ions that help in conducting electricity. This experiment helps understand the role of electrolytes in electrical conductivity. Question 5. Classification of chemical reactions in the environment. Chemical reactions occur everywhere in our surroundings. They can be classified as